Okay, so hey YouTubers, 905 speed GTA. This is my first video back in about 5 years. And I am taking it at the location where I took my last video back in 2015 when I was replacing a AC condenser on a 2003 Hyundai Sonata GLS V6. My old garage. And I say my old garage because I'm not renting it anymore. I gave it up back in 2018 and the landlord took it over and did his thing with it. He's a contractor, and I'll show you what the garage has become. So yeah, the garage has become a big storage ground. This is where most of my jobs were filmed, here or in this driveway. And a lot of things have changed. I still have the driveway. I use that because I have multiple vehicles. But yeah, a lot of things have changed in 5 years, including myself. I put on about 25 pounds and just living life. I'm no longer a mechanic, and a lot of things are different now. But I still work on my own stuff, and that's one of the reasons why I'm making a video again. Is I want to start making videos again, and I have plenty of vehicles to do it on and plenty of things. I'm actually doing carpentry work. I'm a maintenance man now, and I take care of 3 group homes. And yeah, my life has totally changed. But just to bring you guys up to speed, from 2015 to 2020, as we are in July 27th, 2020, I picked this up back in 2018. It is a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. I picked it up with 129,000 miles on it. It now has 159,000, and things are breaking on it, like the headlight and some other stuff. But I'm telling you, I put a big transmission cooler in this thing. I have towed over 1,000 miles with it, and I've been using it just to move things around. But yeah, this is what my shop area has become. Overgrown weeds and just something that I would never let happen. But then again, it's not my house. The silver van here actually belongs to my landlord. And he wanted to junk it, but I asked him if I could hold on to it so I could use it for storage. So the front is his stuff, and the back is all my stuff. And as you can see, those are the seats to Maggie, which was the magnetic gray 2007 Nissan Sentra. Back in 2016, Maggie got totaled. It was a total loss. She only had 120,000 miles on her. And I took the engine, the transmission, and the interior, and I saved it. And I saved it for my black Sentra. My black Sentra I got in 2015, and she now has 174,000 miles on it. Still tugging along, but the motor is getting tired. I still have the 2008 Nissan Altima. The transmission is actually bad on it. It still runs and drives, but can't go over like 40 miles an hour. So after I left this place, I moved right across the street. And I moved across the street, and I'm not renting their garage, but I actually wound up buying the house across the street. I got a really good deal on it, and it's got a tremendous garage. If you could see it, that's my whole garage. It's 2 car lengths long, and it's pretty cool. So let's go take a look over there. So yeah, I got the house in November of 2015. We just got a we got some clearance. Usually it's a madhouse going on over here. But yeah, so I got the house in 2015, and I've been fixing up the house for the past 5 years. The house was built in 1949, and well, it's coming along. I put my Polish flag up, and yeah, so this is the garage now. There's my bike. I still have the Pontiac. She's in there now because she needs brake lines, and I'm gonna be doing that real soon. And also, I bought a brand new car. I bought a brand new car a couple of months ago, the 2020 Nissan Altima. This is the SR with the sunroof, almost fully loaded. But yeah, I'm in the middle of redoing the soffit. Got a lot of stuff going on. That's the inside of my house. I'm gonna be making all new cabinets, the new doors. I got all brand new appliances. But yeah, so I've been here about 5 years. I set up shop. I was working here from 2016 to 2018. So the first 2 years I was still working on cars, and I did make videos. I just never posted them. So I have a lot of content that's going to be coming up real soon. But yeah, this is a tremendous garage. Originally, I didn't have that loft up there. The house came with one, but it was just like two 2x10s running across, you know, just so like you can put a piece of 5/8 plywood up there and just store like a couple of things. But my original plan was to put a my original plan was to put a lift in here, but town ordinance, you can't do that. So I said, what the hell, and I put a crawl space back up there, and I got a motorized garage door opener, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is my garage. I got plenty of videos. I'm gonna be posting everything. I'm back. I just really needed to make a video and just get back in the groove of things. By the way, this garage is heated, and it's also air conditioned, so I can be in here in comfort all year round. All right, guys, 95 speed GTA. I'm back. This is where I've been. A lot of things have changed. We got a couple of different cars, a couple of cars still hanging around, and that's it. See you guys soon.